Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. So I am making this video for our GK class. In our GK class we did page number 8 and the topic of this page is do good, feel good. The meaning, if you do something good, that after doing that you will feel also good. Students, everything pays in life. If you do good, it will always come back to you. If you do something good today, it definitely come back to you. अगर आप किसी के साथ अच्छा करते हो तो वो डेफिनेटली आपके साथ अगर आपके साथ अच्छा होता है, अगर आप किसी के साथ अच्छा करते हो तो आपको भी आपके साथ भी अच्छा होता है एंड यू ऑल्सो फील वेरी गुड. किसी की हेल्प करके, किसी को हेल्प आउट करके या किसी के लिए केयर या किसी के लिए वैल्यू लव शो करके यू फील वेरी गुड. For example, in today's page number 8, we are going to discuss about 6 values that are basically a base of our lives. Right? So, our first value is here. Cleanliness. That means हाइजीन मेंटेन करना, अपनी बॉडी की टेक केयर करना, अपने पेट्स की, इफ यू हैव पेट्स तो उनकी बॉडी की टेक केयर करना, उनका ध्यान रखना. इट कम्स इन क्लेanliness. So this is the COVID time. So in our today's time, it is very important कि we maintain cleanliness. हम अच्छे से साफ सफाई और हाइजीन की अच्छे से टेक केयर करें. Right? This is the main part. If your body does not feel good, that you cannot do good. So our next is the respect. Respect. What does it mean? What is respect? Respect means you have to talk politely to everybody and show kindness to them. You cannot obey them. You cannot disobey them. You have to follow all their words, all their thinkings. Right? Respect your elders, teachers. Do not talk them rudely. Say politely. So this is the way we should show respect to everybody. If you give respect, then you receive respect. Our third is the next is caring. Caring. That means you have to do care to your lovables. For example, if somebody came at your house, your father came out from outside, you can serve them a glass of water. Right? So you are showing care towards them. आप उनकी care कर रहे हो. You have to show your caring nature to everyone. If you show this, then you will also get it back. अगर आप सबसे प्यार से and सबकी respect से and you show kindness or caring nature to them, so you will also get back this. The next is, I just told you 3 values, 3 bases of our lives. First is cleanliness, second is respect, third is caring, the fourth one is love. Your parents loves you a lot. You also love them, and it is a very important aspect of life. We should not be selfish or mean by nature. We have to spread love to everyone. Give love to everyone. The next is sharing. You You can share the books, videos, clothes, toys, right? Sharing is a way to show that you care for themselves, or if somebody is not having your books or textbooks, you can share your books with them, or you can share the pencils and erasers with them. These are the small things. I am giving you the small example. And the last aspect of our life is most important, that is honesty. You should be honest about your actions, or you should be honest about your things. If you did some mistake, then it is okay, accept it and tell your parents or tell your elders honestly. These 6 things are the basis of our life, and this is the base also of this. Do good, feel good. If you do something good, it will come back to you and you will also feel very happy. If you maintain the cleanliness, your body feel good. If you give respect to others, they will respect you, then you feel very good. Caring, you should be caring your nature by nature, for your animals, for your families, for everyone. Love, that is most aspect of our life. Your parents love you. And then sharing is caring. This is also a proverb. And the last one is honesty. You have to follow these 6 main rules for your life. Thank you. Have a nice day.